contents of your class. Okay now? So that's why the people, what they will say, a clause is a statement. Okay, a clause is a statement, which will, or which is used to add, to SQL query, for providing some additional features, facilities, okay, are some additional facilities are like what it is here: filtering rows, okay, comma, sorting values, comma, grouping, okay, similar data, next finding, okay, subtotal and grand total, okay, based on columns, automatically. So here guys, okay, the clause, what we can do with the help of clause, means we can do it here. So clause is a statement. The statement we are going to be added to SQL query. So your point is observed, SQL query. For what purpose? For providing some additional facilities. Which kind of facilities? Filtering rows, sorting values, grouping similar data, finding subtotal and grand total. So these kind of operations, whenever you want to perform on table data, so definitely we should need a clauses. Okay, so these kind of facilities we are getting by automatically when we apply that particular clause. Okay, now so this clause syntax, how it will be there guys? Okay, this clause syntax, how it will be there means, this is my SQL query. To this SQL query, I am adding, what it is I am adding guys here? The clause statement I am adding guys here. I am adding clause statement. So now you can see, select star from EMP. This is, I can call as SQL predefined query. Is it right or wrong? Select star from table name. This is query. It is a query or not? Yes, it is a query. So to this query, I am adding guys here where. To this query, I am adding what now? Where clause. So where, along with where, what I am passing? My condition. What is the condition? EMP number is equals to 7788. So this is what we called as guys here. This is my clause statement, and this statement I am adding to my query. So query and here added plus clause, and query plus clause will do some operation here. The which operation will done by this class? Okay, so that we will check out one by one. So understand the syntax, understand now? So select query plus clause statement. You have to add together and do some operation on your table data. Okay, right. So like this guys here, how many clauses we supported and we have it here means, okay, we have a few clauses here. The first class is called as a where clause, order by, next row by, next having, next roll up, next queue. So these are the general clauses we are using in all types of queries. Okay now, so we are using in all types of topics. Okay, we are using these classes here. In any topic, in any concept, you can use these classes to do the related operations on table data. Okay now, and this is a syntax, and these are the types of classes. Okay, right. So let me come out and see one by one. I will explain to you guys here where clause. So basically where class, okay, where you want to use it. So where class we are using guys here, the purpose of where class is nothing but, here it was observed, filtering rows before grouping data in a table. So before grouping data in a table, your rows can be filtered. Your rows can be filtered. Okay now? So that is what we called as a where class. So filtering means what, sir? What does it mean by filtering? It means that, for example, here observe, in this requirement only, I will explain to you. Suppose guys here, in this requirement only, I will explain to you. Observe and see. Here I wanted, as what my query here, write a query to retrieval employee details from EMT table whose employee number is 7788. So this is my requirement. But come to in my table, the only one row is there or number of rows are there in the table, guys? Do you have any one row or number of rows? Number of rows are there. So in this out of 14 rows, which row you wanted? Whose employee number 7788 row I wanted? Whose employee number 7788 I wanted? Understand now? So but how it was getting means that, so now we are using where class. And now in my table total number of rows are 14. That means now tell me, this table data is grouped or not grouped? Tell me, in your table, whatever the data was there, this data is a grouping data or individual, every row is a individual data? This is called as a individual data, not grouping data. Not grouping data, it's called a individual data. Individual. Smith is a one individual. Allen, Ward, Jones, Martin, Blake, Clark, Scott, King, Turner, Adams, James, Fraud, and Miller. Okay, these are called as what now? Individual rows. Every row is an individual. Understand? Every row is an individual. Like this, how many rows we have in the table here? 14 rows are there. How many rows are we there here? 14 rows are there. So in this 14 rows and 14 individual rows data, okay, will verified by your where class condition. That means each and every row data will be checked. Each and every row data will be checked. Okay, na? Each and every row data will be checked. Now here, this is my condition. Carefully observe. This is our condition. So this condition 77. Now checking. 7369 is equals to 7788. Condition true or false, guys? Condition false. Okay. Next, 7499 is equals to 7788. Condition true or false? False. 7521 is equals to 7788. Condition true or false? False. 7566 is equals to condition true or false? False. 7654 false. 7698 false. 7782 false. 7788 condition true or false? Condition true. So condition true. So which condition, that is which row data value is satisfied for the given condition? So this row data will be fetching, okay, as a result. And the remaining rows are all will be filtered. Next, 7839 false. 7844 false. 7876 false. 7900 false. 7902 false. 7934 false. So out of 14, I wanted my required data, that is called a 1. So whenever you wanted the required person, the out of 14, then what I want to do, remaining 13 people data I need to filter. If I want to filter remaining 30 people, then my required person will be getting it. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes. So, group of people are there, but in the group of people, I want to select only one person. I want to select only one person. So, out of group of people. So, group of people, if I want to select only one person, then what I want to do, the remaining all people I need to filter. The remaining all people I need to filter. So, whenever the remaining people will be filtering, then my required person is, I will get it. But how to filter the remaining people means it's depending on condition. It's depending on condition I can filter my people. So as per my condition, which person is satisfied, which person will be satisfied my condition, that person I want to take, and which is not satisfied, those people I need to filter. So this kind of internal mechanism is going to be happen whenever you want to apply where clause. Understanding now? This is where clause working nature. Okay, that's why where clause, what we said guys here, where clause is going to be filtering rows, every individual row, before grouping data in a table. That is what. Okay, that's what. But this class, it is also very important point. This class on which type of commands will be work. On which type of commands will be work means this command can apply or use on or apply on. There are few commands are there. Select command, insert command, select command, update command, and delete command. So these are the things. So on these commands only I can apply my where clause. So where clause can apply on select command. Where clause can we can apply on your update command. Where clause can apply on delete command. So other than these three commands, in any other command we cannot use a where clause condition. So that is also very important to know which class on which type of queries are supported. That is also important for knowledge. Important for knowledge. Okay, na? Right. So this is where. So that's why can you see in my previous basics also we discussed where class is using select command. Otherwise, whenever you want to do some specific row updations, okay, update EMP sal is equals to some 25,000. Okay, and I'm using where job is equals to, for example, flat. And next one is called as a delete from. Okay, so EMP number is equals to 10. So these are where class commands, and in these commands only I can use my where class. Other than this, I can't use where class in any other commands. Okay, then what the syntax for this means? Yes, syntax will be simple guys here. So where, and I want to say here, filtering condition. Okay, this is where class syntax. Okay, along with where class, I need to send my filtering condition. So which condition are you given here? Based on the condition, your data can be filtered. Okay, that is one. And the next, okay, clause is called as guys here order by. So order by class, okay, especially this class when you want to use guys, when you want to use, whenever you need to do some shortings. Second one, sorting values. So sorting means, can you tell me in how many ways can I sort my values, guys? In how many ways can I sort my values? What are those? Anybody guessing? Come on, guys. How many ways you can sort? Yeah, in the two ways we can sorting our data. Two ways we can sorting our data. First one we called as a small to big. That is called a ascending order. Second one is called as a big to small. That is called as a descending order. So ascending or descending, in this two particular order, we need to sort our values. So their compulsory order by class is required. Compulsory required order by class. Understand now? Right. Now here observe. This is what? So it means order by class can be used, okay, to arrange a specific columns values, okay, in ascending, okay, in ascending or else, okay, descending, in ascending or else descending order. Okay, that is what we have. But when I use order by class on your particular column, by default order, okay, of order by clause, okay, by default order by clause. What is the default order here? What is the default order here? Ascending order. The default order of order by clause is ascending order. Okay, now ascending order, that is the default. But guys, here if we want to arrange, okay, so values in descending order, then we use which key? Desk keyword. Then we use which key? Desk keyword. Using desk keyword, so then I can arrange my data into descending order. Okay, now that is the desk key, okay, user. Now, so what is the syntax of this order by class? And this order by class syntax is select star from table name and you're passing order by column name 1, either ascending or descending, okay, comma column name 2, either ascending or descending, comma, and so on. Okay, this is syntax of your order by class. By zeal of the syntax, what you understand, guys, order by class can use what do you say? Can apply, okay, apply on which command here? On which command, guys, here? Select the command only. Okay, now order by class can be applied on which command here? Select command only. And the syntax also, the syntax is nothing but formula. The formula also you can go to check it out. Okay, now? Right. This is definition of order by. But how it will be? Right. Now come back here. So for example, this is my table, guys. Can you see in my table one of my columns, salary column? Salary column values, whatever it was there, tell me guys here, salary columns are having in ascending order or descending order? Or else is there any order is there? Salary column. Come on guys, is there any order is the salary column? No order. So this is unordered. So this unorder of a particular column, I need to sort either in ascending or descending. So at this moment, we are going to be writing the query like this. Select a star from EFP, which class, order by class, on which column, salary column. But what we said guys here, order by class, by default, which order it will be arranged or of your particular column data means by default order of order by class is what now? Ascending. Let you see now salary column. Is it everything is in ascending order now? Observe guys. Yes or no? So here your salary column is going to be sorting in the ascending order. So along with this column, your other columns data also changes. Okay, other column data is also changed. So that is sorting of ascending. For example, sir, I don't want it to sort my particular column data along with other columns. I want it to sort only this column data. It means that, so there what you want to use guys here, in this case, instead of star means what now? All columns. So So instead of star, I have to use my particular column, and later you can pass your order by sal and desk keyword. You send it in. Then you can see what it was happen. Only that particular column only I can order. And here I was given desk keyword. Desk keyword means what now? Descending order. Desk keyword is nothing but what now? Descending order. Understand now? So this is what it was happening. This is what it was happening. Okay. So select sal from EMP order by sal desk. Suppose you want it, if you remove desk keyword, it is a ascending order, it will be displayed. This is a particular column wise you can do like this. Okay. So now not only for your salary column, even though we can apply on the name column also. Suppose if I want to apply name column, then I have to use select e name from EMP. Then I have to use order by on e name. If we executed, then ascending order. Ascending order means what now? A to Z. Okay, ascending order of alphabets is nothing but what now? A to Z. So A, B, C, D, like A to Z. In the same to same descending. So descending means what we said here, we have to use a desk keyword and descend. So Z to A, descending order also we can apply. So not only the names, even though we can apply in my table, higher dates are there. The date of joins. If you want to apply higher dates, even though we can see to like here, so higher dates from EMP, and I'm using order by, and let me send here higher date. So all higher dates, can you see guys here, all are having in the ascending order. Come on guys. Yes, having ascending order. Okay, now? Right. Suppose you want a descending order, you can use your desk keyword to execute. So descending order, it will be arranged. So like in numbers, names, dates, okay. So whatever it is, you can arrange either ascending or descending line. So these are what now? Order by working nature.
Recording in progress.
Right. So now in these examples, we applied in alphabets, we applied numbers, we applied date, okay, date format of information, and any other formats you can apply. But here observance. This is generally, okay, what particular columns wise we did this one. Okay, right. In the next one is, carefully observe. One more example. Write a query to display employee details, who are working under department number is 30, and arrange those employee salaries in descending order, and arrange those employee salaries in descending order. Can you tell me guys, for this requirement, okay, first what I want to do, any guessing guys here? My first requirement is I want to display employee details who are working under department number 30. How to get this point? So first what I need to get guys, in department number 30, how many employees are there? Those people data first you need to filter. Yes or no? First we need to filter. Now tell me, department number 30 people I want data. Then which class I want to use? Where class? Very good. So now I just come back to you to check out your tables information EMP. And I want it specifically who are working in the department number. Who are working in the department number is what now?
Recording in progress.